Bye bye.
Yay! Wow! Mommy!
Bye.
Mwah.
Yummy. Mwah.
Okay!
Bye.
Uh-oh. Oh no. Mwah. Mwah.
Bye bye. Hi guys, and welcome to SimpleKidsCrafts.com. My name is Merve, and on today's video I showed you a little bit of my doll set. I'm going to be showing you the dolls that I used for this set. And here we have our doll Sophia. And Sophia, I thought that she was so pretty while seeing her in the box. I wanted to buy her, and she has a little bit of articulation in her arm, not too much, and her dress is removable. You can remove the bottom of the dress as well as the top, and then underneath she has tights for dancing, I guess. And she has pink shoes. And she comes with this additional little hairbrush. You can see a lot of detail in it. And this is what Sophia looks like after her hair has been brushed and combed back a little bit. I use Ariel, and this is her packaging. And you can see her beautiful face and her dress. She has a lot of detail in her dress. She's not articulated, and also she has very pretty shoes. You can see that here. She didn't come with any other accessories, but this is an original Ariel. And yeah, I really love her face. I really love her hair. And guys, this is the rest of the set. For the set, you have a sofa that I made, a bookcase that I made, and some of the accessories that I made by hand as well. And then here in the kitchen, you have a few of the dollar store things that I bought, like the chairs for the babies and some of the electronics that I made. This is a store-bought kitchen, so I didn't make any of these, but I could make one if you guys wanted to. And then we have on the other side the room for the girls. And in the room we have a couple of beds. I actually have a tutorial on how to make similar beds. That will be on the link on the description down below if you want to take a look at that. And yeah, this is the whole set for this particular story. I hope that you like this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!